Frustrated by hitting paywalls every time you click on a news article? You are not alone. More and more sites are locking content behind subscriptions. But with one simple browser extension, you can bypass those walls and read freely. Stick around, we will show you exactly how. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are diving into Bypass Paywalls Clean, an open source browser extension that unlocks paywalled articles on Firefox, Chrome, and other browsers. We will walk you through installation, setup, and customization so you can start reading without restrictions. Let's get started. Method 1. Installing the extension. The first step to bypassing paywalls is simply getting the tool onto your browser. Installation is quick and requires no technical expertise. Chrome or Chromium browser users can install from the Chrome Web Store or manually. Once installed, the extension activates automatically, no setup needed. Method 2. Using supported sites. The extension supports over 100 popular sites. This means you can start reading immediately without tweaking settings. Click on Chrome 3 dots menu. Select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Find Bypass Paywalls Clean extensions and click on Details. Under Permissions, toggle on the switch for automatically allow access on the following sites option. You can also pin into toolbar, toggle on the options to allow in incognito and allow access to file URLs. Method 3. Adjust site settings. Customization ensures the extension works exactly the way you want. Preferences let you control updates, counters, and site rules. Navigate to site settings, then click on Option. You can select from the 3 options. Ask which is the default option, allow or block. Here you can adjust the permissions for location, camera, microphone, motions, sensors, notifications, etc. Once everything is set up, the extension works quietly in the background. You don't need to toggle it each time, just browse as usual. Paywalled articles on supported sites open automatically. No extra clicks or manual steps required. You can enjoy uninterrupted reading now. Bypass Paywalls Clean is a lightweight, customizable solution for readers who want occasional access without juggling multiple subscriptions. While it empowers users, remember that supporting journalism through subscriptions helps sustain quality reporting. Use responsibly. And that's it. With Bypass Paywalls Clean installed, you can browse supported sites without hitting those frustrating paywalls. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more reliable tech solutions. Still facing issues or found another trick that works better? Drop it in the comments. Let's share fixes and keep the web open for everyone.